What's up, everybody? This is the Welding Machine coming back to you guys with another video. Today's video is going to be something new. I know I haven't posted in 2 months, but I've been really busy trying to get my business up and started. There are some things that are taking place that can skyrocket my business to the next level as far as the bid wise. So here, we want to get up there to the next level this year. After we filed our taxes, we found out what we had to improve on and everything. So these are trying to take my business to the next height, the next level. Still with the same black truck for right now. Also about to have a baby and about to buy a house and working on my business because everything's going pretty well. So I'm trying to do everything this year and then take my business to the next height. And yeah, so eventually build up a fleet with another old school Chevy C10 or a C30. Y'all stay tuned. We're about to start on this project on my blue trailer. Should have done this a long time ago. It don't have a doohickey to jack it up. So now I gotta use jack stands. As you can see over there and right in the middle, got a jack stand right there holding it up. That is a pain in the butt, especially when it's coming to pulling my truck up to it and picking it up. This one, I like this setup right now, but eventually we're gonna change it because having 2 double jack stands does not work for me. So we got those. We're gonna change that in the near future, but that's good right now. This one needs something right now because I'm tired of lifting it up with all that weight on there. You got a big old plate, you got a beam, you got some tubes to make a gantry crane, and you got like 40 foot of pipe and 2 45-pound weights and a bar, tire, whole bunch of crap that we don't need on there. So nuts for these right here, because I found out I moved it to my dad's back building and it was never tightened down. So the whole axle could have fell from underneath this thing. And if you've seen my recent videos or posts or pictures on Facebook, how I jacked this thing up, it was with an engine cherry picker. That's what we call it, cherry picker. To jack it up and tack up some plate or some tube right here to hold it up off the ground, put the axle underneath. But let's get back to this video. Thank you guys for watching and let's get to it.
Peeping through your window, open up the door. Dang, man, I thought it was a horse. Rolling in my 85 Chevy C10, people thought it was a Porsche. Making the cash, bringing it back, people looking at me, counting up the bag. Securing the whip and people looking at me like they about to jump ship. Stay up on the boat. If you don't, man, you gon' choke. Reconcile, this is where you're gonna go. No joke. 6 feet deep in the moat. Bury really deep. Mud rolling up to your eyes, to your feet. Peeping through your window. Peeping through your window. Peeping through your window. Peeping through your window. Peeping through your window.
Open up the door, I seen it before. I never let the mic magnetize me no more because they call me Little S and I'm coming through this joint strap. Straight up, no stepping, no captain. Never use a weapon because I'm the weapon. Just like that, they call me straight testing. No, I ain't on no gangster stuff. I'm turning up. I got the studio burning up. Gang we trust, the code we trust, the guns they bust, and everybody get the gang to tuck. This is like that, never enough. Females ain't promised nothing tomorrow with stuff they trade on me. Like
All right, everybody, it's the Welding Machine. That's what we got, y'all. We cut it out. Let's cover up that gap that you guys seen before, and got it clamped down. Got everything cleaned up so we can weld it out. So y'all stay tuned.
Through your window, open up the door. Dang, man, I thought it was a horse. Rolling in my 85 Chevy C10, people thought it was a Porsche. Making the cash, bringing it back, people looking at me, counting up the bag. Securing the whip and people looking at me like they about to jump ship. Stay up on the boat. If you don't, man, you gon' choke. Reconcile, this is where you gonna go. No joke, 6 feet deep in the moat. Barry really